Hey everybody, welcome back to my BakeLikeAPro YouTube channel. In today's really fun video, we're going to be making some easy, chewy chocolate chip cookie bars. Let's quickly go over the ingredients. 1 1/4 cups of all-purpose flour, 188 grams. 3/4 of a cup of brown sugar, 165 grams. 1/2 cup of white granulated sugar, 100 grams. 1/2 cup of melted butter, 115 grams. 1 cup of chocolate chips, 170 grams. 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, 3 grams. 5 grams of salt, 1 teaspoon. 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 5 grams. And our last ingredient, 1 large egg. So those are the ingredients. Let's get started. For my first step, I'll get all of my white granulated sugar into the bowl, and then my brown sugar, and all of my butter. That's good. And my salt. I'll close down my mixer, get it going. I just want to cream this up. Okay, once that's creamed a little bit, I'm going to get my egg in. That always helps with the creaming process because you're adding more moisture into that mix. That's good. And my vanilla. And I am using pure vanilla extract. Let's close it down and let's really mix this well. You can see how light the batter has become because there's so much air inside the batter now. So now I'm going to get my flour. I want to make sure I'm on camera. So we've got the flour and the baking soda. We'll get all of that in. Just mix that together and we'll get that into the mixer. So I'm just going to open this up. I'll get all of the flour and the baking soda right in there. That's good, perfect. Close it down and just speed number 1 now. I just want to turn this on and then speed number 1. It's at this point where you don't want to overmix your cookie batter. Once you see it starting to come together like that, you can just pour in the chocolate chips. And that is it for the recipe. Just a little bit more of a mix. And that's good. Perfect. On to our next step. For my recipe today, I'm using a 9-inch square baking pan that is 23 centimeters square. And I have lined it with baking paper. Another name for baking paper is parchment paper. So I've got my really nice cookie dough here. I'm just going to load it in. If you're turning this into cookies, you're going to bake your cookies about 10 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, which is 177 degrees Celsius. And I'm just going to push this into place. And I am going to bake this in my 350 degree Fahrenheit oven, which is 177 degrees Celsius. It's at this point where you want to make sure that you've got everything nice and level. Get it right into the corners and don't have any little bits sticking up because those are going to be the first things that burn. So that looks pretty good. I'm happy with that. Just take your time. There's no rush. Have fun. Very relaxing. Look at that. That looks really, really good. So my oven is preheated. It is ready to go. We got that 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 177 Celsius. I'm gonna pop it in, bake it, and I'm gonna come back, tell you exactly all the details. So that's it, off to the oven. Hey everybody, I am back and it smells amazing in the kitchen. Total bake time was 28 minutes in my oven. In your oven, it could be 25, it could be 30. Anyway, I'm gonna remove my little metal clips. And let's get into this. This is going to be really, really yummy. Ooh, I cannot wait. This is going to be nice. I'm going to go. Yeah, right about there. That is going to be so good. Oh, it smells really good. All right, let's go in for a little test. Look at that. Oh, can you see that? Make sure you can see that. Oh, look at this. Look at how chewy this is. Look at this. You get a nice little crunch on the edges, but inside it is super, super chewy. Look at this. Oh, this is going to be so good. Okay, I'm going in for a bite. That is so good. If you love chocolate chips and you love cookies, you're going to love this recipe. So a really fast one today. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you wish. And if you're on Facebook, I'm also over there at BakeLikeAPro. So cut up your bars in the size that you wish, get them into an airtight container, and you can keep them up to about a week. Yeah, look at this. Oh, amazing. Wow. One more bite? Oh yeah, why not? Oh, look at this. Oh, it is so good. Oh yeah. So these little fun cookie bars, they are amazing. I hope you try them out. If you do, please leave me a comment down in the comment section. So that's it for today's video, and I'll catch you on the next one. Look at that. Yum. And please subscribe to my BakeLikeAPro YouTube channel and also click that notification bell to be alerted every time I upload a brand new video. If you made it this far, thank you very much for watching. On the screen now, you can choose a video to watch, or you can also click and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And thank you once again for taking time out of your day to watch my video. I really appreciate it.